So Dakota got his hands on some RTV, as you guys saw underneath, and
hey Siri, how do you remove RTV gasket maker from your hands? Wear nitrile gloves.
That actually, we probably should have started out there.
Thanks for the help, buddy.
All right, guys. So today we are going to be putting a new set of headers on the car, and they're eBay. So we'll see how well those work out. We are fixing exhaust leaks and a boost leak.
A lot of leaks.
A lot of leaks, yeah. There are a couple exhaust leaks, and it sounds really bad. So we're going to try to jump in there today and get it all fixed up. First, I think we are going to start off with the headers. We have to scrape off the heads. You want to go ahead and drop these off. We've already unbolted them. There are 3 bolts on each side. I think it was a 14 mil, I think is what we used.
Yeah.
And then we are going to RVT around this side of the gasket as well that touches the headers. So like I said, that helps get a little bit of a seal so that you don't get exhaust leaks like this one and the one over there on his side as well. This is such a good idea to put these headers in first before we clean this off. I wonder what it'd sound like if we started it right now.
Like imminent explosion? Yeah, it's not gonna work. You have no recirculating pressure at all. Yeah, because you think it's gonna come down here and go up through here.
Oh yeah, and then up, yeah, so the turbo, the turbo wouldn't work.
Yeah, it's not gonna do anything.
It would run. Dude, I ran into some other subscribers not too long ago. It's still so weird.
Nobody knows me.
Like, I love meeting you guys and like talking with you, but I'm just not used to it yet.
Don't talk to me. If you see me
don't
out,
even talk.
Yeah, if you see me out, don't talk to me.
Your turn.
Woohoo.
While Dakota's doing that, I'm going to skip ahead here and get RVT gasket all over myself because it looks like I put too much. Because it looks like I put too much on.
This shit probably in my beard now, motherfucker. Oh my god,
dude, that's way too much.
Where?
Everywhere.
Why not to roll RTV like a toothbrush? Like toothpaste, I mean.
There's so much. Well, good news is I don't think that side's gonna leak. All right, now put your gasket in there, and it should look like this.
I can't touch the gasket with this hand.
Where's it at?
I don't know. I gotta find it.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, this hand's good. That's my other hand. That's RTV. Like I said, we just do it, and whatever happens afterward is what happens.
RTV all over yourself.
Yo, so if anybody out there hiring a professional RTVer,
sealed,
hit me up.
Yeah, look at mine.
Yeah, see, that's way too much everywhere. If you need to wash it off, don't use the water. Look.
I'm gonna do a little
so we might
fine tuning.
Get yours up there in the area you want first, and then I'll fix mine after. How's that? There.
Man, what was that?
A nut. Is there any way you can give me that nut that fell off?
Yeah.
And then I can put it on this bolt. Okay. That bolt.
What do you need to do?
It needs to. It's gonna come like that way.
Now we're gonna get up in here to the downpipe. Should be 5 bolts in there, I think. There might be some studs in there, I don't remember. Yeah, so there are 3 studs in there. It makes it a little bit easier to get on. You can see where we've had exhaust leaks around there. There's water dripping down my face. So we gotta go ahead and get these other 2 bolts tightened up, and then we will have room to put the downpipe on. Down here in the rain.
It's a good place to be.
Hey, first startup ever.
This has never been ran before.
First startup.
I hate starting cars after shit because it always bothers me.
Well, it sounded a little sketchy to begin with, but
I don't feel any
Alright guys, so we got everything bolted back up, got the headers on, got the downpipe back on.
Ready.
Started it up, everything sounds good. Went ahead and shut it off. We're gonna let kind of the RVT kind of set up just a little bit before we start putting it under load. And you know, it started to pour the rain down, so we're gonna go ahead and get on out of here because I hate working in the rain. I hate working in the cold, I hate working in the rain.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And as always, much love. We gone. Down here's the Doom Buggy project, Project Cop Bait. It's kind of been a little bit of abandon. We're still working on the rear suspension. We're still trying to come up with a design, so that's where that video's been. We just haven't had time to get to it and work on it. We got all the other projects going on.